तेरा मेरा क्या है बंदिया ये सब कुदरत है जो पाले तू उसको भूले कैसे I'm drinking tea the Gujarati way, okay? Too sweet for me.
Yeah.
Gujarati. The sweetness of Gujarati people should not go into the tea. Should stay in their hearts. अब उसको मन में रखना है, टी में चाय में नहीं डालना है.
I was really happy to interact with Sadhguru ji, and I was a little jealous that how this young man has travelled across 26 countries alone on this bike ride. It really inspired me to work more and more towards this country, this nation, this soil.